Okay, so let's learn. We start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. Sefer Chofetz Chaim. The big topic is the same, and which is what? Which is laws of harmful speech. Okay. So, and today's topic, public knowledge but harmful. Public knowledge. Okay. We have seen that it is forbidden to speak in derogatory manner, even information being conveyed was already known to the listener. This is because the fact that of the speaking negatively is inherently wrong. So there is a separate prohibition to hurt somebody's with his speech, right? So just because everybody knows about it, just because everybody speaks about it, does not make any difference, right? So it is wrong to speak negatively. Conversely, it stands no reason that a non-derogatory but potential harmful statement can be made in the presence of anyone who is already aware of the information, unless the speaker emphasizes some points that the listener may not have realized previously. This is because the statement will not cause of any harm which others would not have come about. Okay, so what is the point? Not clear. So one more time, let's read one more time and explain. Conversely, it stands to reason that a non-derogatory but potentially harmful statement, can be made in the presence of anyone who is already aware of the information. So if he knows it's non-derogatory but potentially harmful, unless the speaker emphasizes some point that the listener may not have realized previously. So I mean, if the speaker repeats the same information, so what is the point? Like, what are you trying to say? Right? That's the thing. Okay. Thus, this is because the statement will not be cause for any harm which otherwise would not have come about, right? Because it is known, right? Whatever he says is known, so it's no additional harm. I don't know. On one hand, yes, but some people would be like affected when a lot of people repeat the same information. They say everybody is saying that. Does not make it true, but that's rationale of some people. Ramban takes this step further, stating that if potentially harmful statement was made in the presence of three people, the three are permitted to relay the information in conversation with others. This is because each of the three can assume that the other two will probably make the information public anyway. However, that would not be permissible if either. So let's go into conditions. But before we go into conditions, so when person speaks in front of the three people, so he assumes and they assume, all of them assume, that it's going to pass around. Okay, so unless of course this person say it is secret, don't tell anybody. Okay, that's a different story. So conditions. So the following condition must be made. Number one. One of the three is known to be discreet or especially careful regarding the laws of forbidden speech. One of three is known. Okay. Number two, the person's intent in relating the information is to publicize the matter yet further. Okay. According to the Chofetz Chaim, Rambam permits any of the three to repeat the information even if it is derogatory. Okay, but see page 147. I mean, today I don't think we do it, but okay. So let's see, 46 from 96. Okay. Chofetz Chaim fails to find justification for such leniency. Exactly. Furthermore, he discourages reliance on Rambam's opinion with regard to Lashon Hara, spoken in the presence of three, as most commentators seems to disagree with this ruling. Thus, one should never relate derogatory information, even when it was related to the 3 or more listeners. So this rule of 3 or more listeners, it is true, it is mentioned by Rambam, but we try not to rely on it. So, okay, so we stop here.